welcome to Desert Disc Planning. If you've never been here before, I'm glad you were here. Hopefully we can get creative together. And if you've been here before, I'm really glad that you came back to see what's up with me in my world. This is the Jungle Vibes 2022 planner horizontal layout. I am utilizing my old stash. It's a little bit of HP stash challenge up in here, but I'm using it for my bills. I'm not really good at decorating the horizontal layout, so I figured why not just put your bills in here, what you're going to pay, where your bank account's sitting. I don't get real elaborate with this because it is kind of personal with my finances and things like that. So what I do is I'm just going to speed through decorating it, and I will be referencing my monthly layout to see where I want to put the bills that I have allowed myself to put out for you guys. And then that is pretty much it. And then I'll come back afterwards and kind of just go over the decor. So I'll talk to you in a few. Okay, so here it is. It's 1 through 7. What I have here is my car payment subscriptions and my other bills that are due that match this side, the monthly layout. What I have is I'm going to do red, I'm going to do orange, and then this will be yellow and green. So that's how I'm going to do the monthly layout. I will just throw the florals down. Again, I'm probably going to put some bank account information here. I have 3 accounts, so that way I can keep that all up in the loop of what's going on in each one. The ones that do not have any bills that are actually coming out, or ones that are sneaking up that are private, I'm going to go ahead and put them in these little slots. So I left me some boxes just in case. This is just a notes box, so I might come up with something, some kind of sticker or something to lay over here just to write some stuff here. But other than that, like beginning balance, end balance, or the end of the week balance or something like that. So I have my Monday through Thursday here, my Friday through Sunday, and yeah, I think that's a good idea. I'll do my balances over here so that way I know what my ending week balance is, and I'll know what will prep me for my new week that's coming up. What I ended up using was the rainbow florals and the bill basics, and that's it. So I probably will not be using these throughout the month, but I'll go ahead and have them because I've already started with my layout with them. So I will go ahead and continue still having them just in case they sneak up on me. Again, this one is happy memory keeping, dates and holidays. So that's where my dates came from, which is where most of my planner dates have been coming from. And then this is a Jungle Vibe 2022 horizontal layout for my budgeting section. I really hope you enjoyed watching me throw this together, and I hope that you stick around to see what the rest of the month ends up looking like. And I will see you guys later.